See, the good part is I like the magnanimity of President Edgar Chagwa Lungu. And according to him, he's saying, listen, they have arrived at this decision. I respect that decision, but that does not mean that I agree with it. It is flawed in material particulars, but we need to protect this institution. I signed this constitution to create that court, to create the constitutional court. I signed that, and we created that constitutional court for purposes of protecting our constitution. He is not of the view that they have protected the constitution, but he's of the view that perhaps we need to protect the courts. We need to protect the judiciary. If they are going to go down, let them go down by their own deeds or misdeeds. And if this is a misdeed, history will come back to haunt them. Because history has a tendency of coming back and doing or undoing the wrongs that were done. It is not a judgment that is going to live for a long time, because they have shown us that it is possible that you can keep knocking on the same door and you get the same result 4 times. You keep knocking on the same door, who knows, you might get a different result the 5th time. That is new jurisprudence that has been introduced in our country. And we think it ought not be so. We think that matters should be dealt with finality. Perhaps those ministers that served should be able to go back and say, listen, you made us pay in that case. But we think we offered a service to this country and we're deserving of those allowances. You never heard us on this matter. So you arrived at your decision by mistake. They've opened it up. Anyone can go back. Anyone can give a reason as to why they have they've arrived at a decision by supposedly a mistake. Because everything that they said is not new in this matter. It is things that were dealt with previously. There are things that they did not agree with, but this time around they've changed and said, this is the position that we have taken. But the president is not bitter, the former president is not bitter. We are not bitter at all, because we took an argument that was based on the law. We believe in our argument. The court has decided. We respect that decision, though we don't agree with that decision. And for that reason, Plan B has kicked in.